Hi guys, and welcome to my channel again. I have a kind of small haul from Hobby Lobby again. I went last week and I just wanted to share what I got on clearance with you guys. So thank you for stopping by, and let's just get started. Hi guys, and thank you for stopping by, and welcome to my channel if you're new. I just have a small haul from Hobby Lobby that I would like to share with you guys. I got a couple of stuff that was on clearance, and yeah, let's just get started. I'm so excited. I found these here tempera paint, and I got a silver one and I got a gold one. Well, actually, I got two golds and two silver. I'm thinking of trying these out. I've never really tried this kind of paint. I'm going to do a little bit of research on how to use it, how it works, and stuff like that. But look how beautiful these colors are. I mean, of course, they're metallic. And they're by Handy Art. And regular price was $4. Well, $3.99. And I got them for $1. So I got these four here. And then I also got, let me go ahead and move this ones out of the way. And then I got the fuchsia. I believe it's Magneta. I got that one. And then I got white. And then I got turquoise. And this is peach. And then this one here is pink. So yeah, guys, so I ended up getting these here. And I was so excited when I saw them for 50 cents. I was like, oh my god, I gotta get some and try to make some paint projects with them. Okay, guys, I got some sequences, and some of them were on clearance and some of them weren't. They were just regular price. But I've been wanting to fix my sequence in those what are they called? So yeah, guys, I've been wanting to fix all my sequences in one of these boxes. Right now I have them, and this one here, let me grab it. And this one here, see guys? But as you guys can see, they get mixed in here. So I saw someone haul the storage box system for their sequences. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. And I bought 3 of these boxes. This was a while back. I just haven't had the time to actually do it. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do that as soon as I can. So I don't want them mixing. So I ended up buying a little bit more of sequences because I really wanted to I want to collect a lot of them. So anyways, let's see. I got right here. But anyways, I got this one here, and it's a flat round 5mm. This is a glitter. I got this one here. This one was on sale. I got this solid color round cup 5mm sequence. All of these are from Hobby Lobby, guys, okay? And then I also got holographic ones. I got, these were on clearance, and these are the white, let's see, white sequins around. I don't know how big these are, but anyways, these are it. These are so pretty, just plain white. I got these glitter ones here. These are just blue. Look how they shine, so beautiful. I got these gold ones, the glittery ones, gold. I got some white ones. I got another pack of the I think these are like, maybe, I don't know, transparent. I think they call these transparent. I think that's what it says there. Got those. I got another pack of the white ones. I said, why not? I mean, they're 50 cents, right? And then I got, oh, actually another pack. I didn't even notice. And then I got these blue ones here. And I got another pack of the pink ones. I think they're different, actually. Let me see. Yeah, they're different. They're different kind of pink. And then I got these little camera die cuts. These were $1. Got that. And guys, I got some sequences at Walmart as well. And it's these here. The silver ones. And they come in all different sizes. And I got these gold ones here. Different sizes. And also at Hobby Lobby, I got this gloss sealer, I believe. I honestly don't know what this really does. But I said, you know what? It looks like it would seal like glitter and stuff. So I'm going to do my research on it. And hopefully it'll work for what I'm thinking of doing with this. And I will do a tutorial on what I hope this will work for. If not, I mean, I'll figure something out with it. It was $2.50. I got this washi tape as well. This was $4.99. And it's by Heidi Swapp. And it was $1.25. Look how pretty that is. So nice. I also got this one here. It's shaved ice. So cute. I got it for $1.25. Look how beautiful that is, guys. That's awesome. Oh. And I got this traditional Chinese inks. This is the silver black. So I got these. They were $2.50 each. $2.50 each. And the reason that I got these is because I think I mentioned in one of my videos that I want to learn how to do hand lettering. So I seen a video here on YouTube where the girl puts this, not necessarily this brand, but she puts this kind of ink inside her brush. For example, basically it's something like this. So you get your brush and then you put it in there and then you practice and you practice instead of doing the whole water thing. So I bought these and I said, you know what, to practice $2.50, why not? So I would be filling these up. And the good thing is it has that cool nozzle. And then, you just, practice with your hand lettering. These are brand new. I've never used these before. So yeah, that's why I got these here. I got 2 of those. They were the only ones left. I wish they had more because like that, I wouldn't mind spending the ink, using the ink all the time. So that's the reason why. So basically, this is what I got, and I also got these inks here. See how pretty that is? You gotta shake them real good. These are metallic ones. And these were $2.25 each. And I got the green one too. And they're all metallic. See that? The regular price were $8.99. I got them for $2.25. I got the green one. This is these are for calligraphy. It doesn't say the name. That's what I don't like. They cover the names of the stuff. Oh, duh, what am I talking about? Crystal mint, frosted peach, and saffron yellow. So I got these 3. And yeah, guys. So basically that's what I got. I also got these at Walmart. I'm gonna try to see if I can do some tassels and stuff like that so I can use these for that. But yeah, guys. So this is what I got for Hobby Lobby.